Today's kickoff. We are at LIU Post. It's the first day of our build season.
The kickoff means that is the time when the next game will be revealed. Prior to that, nobody knew about the game.
This year's game, Destination Deep Space.
The challenge is 3 teams work together to carry different field elements on the field.
We're moving the discs and the cargo are the balls, and the discs are these like plastic discs with Velcro on them, and
the robots will put these elements onto those different game pieces.
In any other sport, it's cutthroat. Whereas here, everybody works together. I like how much creativity there is, and I like that it's always changing.
Altice USA is a company and a culture that is built on the same mindset as this competition, fearless reinvention. This year, just like in years past, we're excited to have our employees volunteering at the competition. Last year, 60 Altice employees between Long Island and Texas volunteered at regional competitions. This year, we're going to add to that the opportunity for our employees to mentor individual teams throughout the country.
It's very important for us to cultivate this kind of mindset from the younger age. Our company is a technology company. We focus on innovation, technology, science, and also teamwork.
It's important to have mentors and community support because you're teaching the younger generation the skills about engineering, design, and basically helping make our future better.
I'm excited because you get to be creative and get to be yourself, and I learned so much from all the mentors and the other kids, and I'm going to use that experience for the rest of my life.